Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Today we're going to talk about electric vehicle charging myths debunked, fact versus fiction. Welcome back to Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service near me here. It's a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service who will come or travel to you at any location at your convenience. The lie that's costing drivers thousands. For years, the conversation around electric vehicles has been dominated by fear, range anxiety, battery failure, grid collapse. These viral myths shape expensive decisions, but most are fiction. The real risk isn't switching to an EV. It's believing misinformation that keeps you stuck with higher costs and missed opportunities. Today we'll tackle the 5 biggest EV charging myths, break them down, and reframe the problem so you see the full picture. Buckle up. We're about to clear the air and kill the fiction. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Let's start with the myth that charging an EV is a massive inconvenience. Most EV charging happens at home overnight, just like charging your phone. You don't wait until empty and then stare at the charger. You plug in, go to sleep, and wake up to a full battery. Charging becomes a background routine, not an errand. The real shift is convenience. You rarely think about charging at all. Fast public charging is the exception, not the rule. The goal isn't to match gas station speed, but to make charging so easy you forget about it. The myth: EVs will crash the power grid. In reality, the grid is dynamic with peaks and valleys in demand. Utilities encourage EVs because they're a predictable load, easily shifted to off-peak hours with smart charging. Most charging happens overnight when the grid has excess capacity. The real challenge is updating old infrastructure, a problem we face with or without EVs. Electrification is actually accelerating grid upgrades. EVs aren't a threat. They're a catalyst for a smarter, more resilient grid. It's not about breaking the system. It's about upgrading it. Many fear EV batteries will degrade quickly, like a phone's. But EV batteries are engineered with advanced management and cooling systems. They avoid full charges and deep drains, extending lifespan. Manufacturers offer long warranties, often 8 years or 100,000 miles. Real-world data shows batteries lasting 200,000 plus miles with gradual, manageable degradation. Catastrophic battery failure is rare. For most, the battery outlasts the car. The myth: charging costs more than gas. Most headlines focus on expensive public fast charging, ignoring that most people charge at home. At home, electricity costs are typically less than half the price per mile compared to gas. Occasional fast charging is like eating out. Convenient, but not the norm. Track your monthly gas spending, then compare it to EV charging costs. For many, the savings are hundreds per month, thousands per year. The myth isn't just wrong, it's costing you money. Don't let it keep you tethered to the pump. The classic fear: Not enough chargers. A few years ago, this was a concern, but the network is expanding rapidly. Most charging happens at home. Public chargers are for long trips. Apps make finding chargers easy, and new stations are added every quarter. Comparing EV charging to a century-old gas network is unfair. The EV network is growing fast. The real story is the trajectory. Gas stations are stagnant. Chargers are multiplying. Automakers, gas chains, and third parties are racing to build capacity. The future is a dense, interconnected charging web. So what's the real takeaway? These myths are designed to keep you from changing. The biggest cost isn't batteries or electricity, it's believing misinformation and overspending on gas and maintenance. The transition to electric is about upgrading your thinking, not just your car. Unplug from old narratives and plug into new realities. If this video helped, share it, like, and subscribe. Comment below with the myth that held you back the longest. Your next car might be electric, but your mind is the first thing you charge. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service. Running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.